At UEI, we know that a single flaw in your system could spell disaster. That's why we've built the Guardian series to protect you from something like this. From the chassis, to the board, to the channel, Guardian monitors your whole system, detecting faults and providing real-time diagnostics. Our compact, rugged hardware operates in places you can't, so it works anywhere you need it to. And with built-in remote access, you can get your data quickly and easily. We offer a wide variety of system options to cover almost any application. Many of these include our built-in Guardian features. So, when you need to guarantee your system integrity, you need UEI's Guardian Advantage.